All right, let's disconnect the battery here. All right, we're gonna repair a couple wires here that were rubbed on. So we're gonna use these here. They are shrink tubing, heat shrink tubing. So since the wires are not cut, I'm actually gonna cut the tubing down the middle here with some scissors, and then use the torch to heat them up and a little bit. Put your heat guard up. A little bit of flame, and pinch it. All right. Okay, we're now gonna cut all of this out of here so we can get the wiring harness free from underneath. We pulled that down here, kind of remove all that here. Take it off that top layer right there. There it goes. That plastic housing, we don't need that anymore. The housing here and here, this is a 10 millimeter. All right, I got the carpet pulled back. Just grab it and give it some force. This little pin will come out here and here. No big deal. They're designed to do that. This one and this one. And then we've got to remove a couple pins, starting with way down in here behind this carpet. If you can see that, it's going to be the pin that is right, let's see, down here. So not this blue one, but the green one underneath that. Let me see if I can get a good shot of it. That green one right down there. So there's the fuse box is up here. So it's down, down, down. And it's not this blue one, but the green one right underneath that one. And then up there, we've got to get the green one just to the top right of the fuse box. So we're gonna get, all right, there's a really pesky hard one that's up above the yellow, the big yellow wire that everyone's talking about that you need to remove. This one is above it up here, and everyone's talking about how hard this one is to get to. I made a little trick here. All right, so got a clothes hanger, and I just got a little hook on the end of it, made a little loop so I could grab onto it, and I slid that right on this part right there of this pin. It was able to push down and pull out at the same time, and it got it out instantly. So that's the little trick to that really hard one that's up there above the yellow one. I'll show you where it went. It goes up here. It goes up here in that slot right there above this yellow one. We're gonna pull this grommet back here, and we are going to pull the wires through. Make sure we have all of them. All right, next we're going to remove the reservoir. So we're gonna take the battery out of its place here. And then we're going to undo this bolt here. That's a 10 millimeter bolt there, and then we'll have plenty of room to feed that wire in through that hole, wiring harness in through that hole right there. All right, we got the wiring to come all the way through. I took off this plastic grommet, this covering piece that was inside there just a little bit. As soon as I took that off, it came right through there. So we're going to inspect the wires. It looks like one right here needs to be repaired a little bit more. And then we actually bought some wire conduit. Basically you slide this over the wire and it'll protect it, and then we'll tape the ends. All right, we've got the wire casing on there, and we're gonna go ahead and tape up a few spots. All right, I got it fed back through, so I'm gonna go into the cab and pull them through, and then I will get this plate put back into place, and then plug everything in. It's looking pretty good. All right, I got everything plugged back in, routed through and plugged back in. Also, the carpet was really easy. You just push it underneath the seal here. Maybe like a little screwdriver. Push it under there. Get that tucked, and then this just pushed in, and I just hit it, and it popped back, right back into place. All right, we're taking her for a spin. We just got all the wiring done. We're heading out. Let's see how she runs. Woo! Oh yeah, she's way too low. We're gonna raise her up tomorrow. We're getting the coilover wrench shipped to us tomorrow, so we can adjust the front end up a little bit. Maybe the back end just a little bit too. She's a little too low. All right, let's go. That little second gear peel out right there on that Yui. Woo! She's handling pretty good. Look how quiet she's running. Thanks for watching to the end. Come back for more street racing and car content on my new project car, the Lexus SC300.